mail call, and this is from Sakura. It is a mini coffee grinder and coffee maker. It comes from Amazon. I needed to try this because I love my fresh ground coffee in the camper. So I bought this because limited space. As you can see, it is smaller. It's only 4 cups, but it's European cups. This is the Maxfield line for either your coffee grounds or your whole beans. You give this a quarter turn, it comes out for easy cleaning. I'll show that. You can program this for coffee beans, regular, power button, start button. And this is where the water goes. I decided to give it a try. How long or how loud? And now that's splashing, which means the coffee has been grinded and is beginning to brew. And now the symbol has gone off, which means the cycle is complete. And to clean it, you give it a quarter turn and you take it right out. And cleanup is a breeze. If you get a chance and have limited space, I do recommend this.